And I got a mean hound dog that wants a piece of UPS butt. He wants some booty. Yeah. Oh, he don't like bells too. Showed out there? Yeah. You want to check the package? You want to check the package? Go get him, boy. Hey. Oh, hello there. YWG here. And what am I doing? I'm doing a little house cleaning. These are my citrus plants that I decided to put in the window this year. It's almost winter time. Some of this stuff has to come in or it's gonna die outside. This is my setup. Normally I keep it in the garage and I put grow lights all the way around it, and my garage can get up to like 60, 70 degrees. This year I decided to do something a little different because the issue I was running into was, let's look at this tree right here. This is my Meyer lemon. Every year, all the leaves fall off during the winter time. And what happens is by the time spring hits, this tree is fighting for its life to get green back. And it cannot focus on the fruit. Look at the fruit here and here. I did something a little different this year, is I really protected this tree. And I said, you know what? We're not gonna have any leaf drop. We had very minimum leaf drop this year. And that's because I did something a little different. The temperature in the house is more controlled than the garage. The garage is significant enough to keep these alive. So, all I'm doing today, that's why I have you here, is showing you how I'm taking care of these trees this year. Variations of cuttings. There's some trees that I purchased from the store. I got my tarp down here. And this collects any excess water. These trees require some sunlight, but I also do have artificial light in here for this. So today you caught me. I'm about to water, and I got plates underneath to catch the excess water. Look at that. And I don't have to water that much because they're indoors. And they're not fighting with the heat to retain moisture. So I have my brown select, I have my lemon, my Meyer lemon, I have my satsumas, I have my Sharanui. Also, I have a variegated lemon tree that's in my grow tent. What I couldn't fit in my grow tent, I decided to bring out here. These are some of my larger. This right here is my backup brown select. I purchased that brown select when my other tree looked like it was about to die. Some of the things I'm gonna have to get rid of on this tree because I do have something that looks like we would call it a sucker, a vampire, something that's squeezing the life out of this tree, and it's this right here. This does not belong. See that? Look at those thorns. Wow. Yeah, be careful. So I am going to remove this. I believe this is part of the original rootstock. Oh, what is the name? When you have a rootstock citrus that has thorns, it's made for cold weather. And the rootstock that this is on is made for cold weather. Also, some rootstocks can help prevent certain diseases that a citrus would get, or any kind of tree. Wow. These bird impalers are rough. I don't know if you've ever been stuck by a thorn, but it does not feel good. I'm removing this so, hey homeboy, I'm removing this so the tree can actually focus on growing. So that's what I'm doing today. Doing a little cleanup, a little straightening, snipping off dead parts of the tree. I think I have a package. Is that a fruit tree? Whoever it is shouldn't be on the property because killer does not like people on our property. That dog is wild. So this is what I'm gonna be doing today on a cold fall day. It's about 30 something degrees outside. And this is what I'm working on. And I got a mean hound dog that wants a piece of UPS butt. He wants some booty. Yeah. Oh, he don't like bells too. Showed out there? Yeah. You want to check the package? You want to check the package? Go get him, boy. Hey. That dude, he better run to the truck or he dead. Cameo. Yo, what's up, man? All right, he act like he don't know you. Yeah, Cameo. Yo, homeboy, let's go. You too. Yeah, he was going for blood. Now you gotta check the package for bombs. Check it for bombs. Check it for bombs. It's good? It's good? I know you want a treat. This is what I do on a daily basis. Every time something comes to the house, here's your reward for guarding the house. Attack. All right, I just wanted to bring you all in my house. A little quick video on what I'm doing over the winter time to try to take care of my citrus trees. Eventually, prayerfully, I will get a greenhouse. I'm so focused on the greenhouse, so all this can go out into the greenhouse. So maybe next year, we're gonna be shooting from a greenhouse, we'll see. But until then, this is what Zone 7 in the DMV area looks like. Zone 7 gardening. See you on the next one.